In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Carnival Games on your PC. So go to your Google browser and we need to quickly search this game up at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly search up the game on Steam and don't worry, we are not going to buy it here. Select the game and after that scroll a little bit down till you will find the game. As you can see, the price is €39.99, but don't worry, we have a workaround for this. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now you can search for the same game, Carnival Games, and then select it. After that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. Then you can select it, so make sure this text is marked green, this is very important. After that select the game, then we will open the game page and you will find out that we can already download this game for just €3.29 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. So once you have purchased this game, you will receive an activation key for Steam to activate this game within your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.